This is question 1 on the higher calculator paper. Okay, first things first, read the question. The question says, here are the ages in years of 15 students. So these are the ages and it's 15 students and they're all over here. Then they said, show this information in an ordered stem and leaf diagram. So two important bits of information there. They want a stem and leaf diagram, and they want the numbers put in order. Okay, so there are a couple of things that you need to do first in order to secure all 3 of the marks for this question. There's a box for a key, and that's a bonus. So actually often they don't put the box in, they expect you to do that yourself. And here it's a reminder. So I'm actually going to fill in the key first. That's going to get me 1 mark straight away. I'm going to pick one of these numbers, and I just pick the first number. I'm going to put 19, and the way we're going to do the stem and leaf diagram, I'm going to put an equal sign there. You can put a dash or anything you want, but I'm going to put 1 because there's 110, and then the line, and on the other side I'm going to put the 9, right? And that basically tells the person looking at the stem and leaf diagram that the numbers on this side are tens and the numbers on the other side of the line are units, and this is the line we're referring to. So to identify all the numbers for my stem and leaf diagram, I'm going to first of all fill out the stem part, this part here, and I'm going to find the biggest number, and here it's 42, and the smallest number is 17. Now what those tell me is that the stem part, which is the tens, are going from 17, which is 110, to 40, which is 4 tens. So on the stem part I'm going to write 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that's quite useful, right, because now I can actually fill in the numbers. I'm going to first of all look at the tens. Now what I normally do is do this in pencil to begin with and then put the numbers in order, but I'm going to look at all the tens. So I'm going to look at them in first, and I'm going to put them in order. So that's 19, 18, 17, 18, just checking there, I haven't missed any out. Okay, so the numbers I'm going to put there, I'm going to put the smallest one first, which is 17. Then there are 2 lots of 18, so I'll put a line through both of them. I'll put 8 and 8, and then there's 19, so I'll put a 9. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I haven't missed out any 10s. Okay, now the rest of them are the 20s. Now I'm going to do this in order, so I could see 20, so I'll put 0 there. That 0 represents 20. Then 21, I could see 21 there, so I'm going to put 21. I notice I'm putting it directly below the number above it. Is there a 22? Yep, there's a 22. Just making sure that there aren't any others. But there's another 20 there, so I should have checked that. And that's the danger with doing this as you go through. So I need to change that to 1 and put the 2 in there. So going through this again, that's 25, 29, 23. So put the 3 in there and put 25, 29. Okay, so 25 is going to be next, and 29 is the last one. I'm just doing a quick check that I haven't missed out any 20s. Okay, now I need to get the 30s. So I have 33, 33, 37 and 37. So that's going to be 3, and then 2 lots of 37, 7 and 7. And the final thing, the one that I've not used so far, there's only one 40 number in the 40s, and that's 42. Okay, so I've completed them. The numbers are in order. The last thing I'm going to do is to check that I've got everything. Now I've got 15 numbers there altogether. They told me there were 15 students, so let's just check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've got them all there. There's my ordered stem and leaf diagram, and I'll definitely be able to collect the 3 marks for that. Bit messy here, right? Ideally use a pencil as you cross them out, right? But this is one way to go about producing an ordered stem and leaf diagram.